Hi guys, this is my fourth video about our e-commerce web application eShop. On my previous videos I explained about the designing part, some input validations and some programming parts of our project. In today's video I'm going to explain about remember me option. Before we are getting into it, we can summarize the previous parts. Okay, we can add a new data here. Let's add a new data. Let's try to add this one. Okay, I delete this data from here because if the data is there, the registration will be not done. Okay, let's type the first name. Okay, here is our data, and then I click on sign up. Now let's refresh our database. Here is our new data. Okay, then let's get into our sign in page. First of all, let's untick this one and see what will happen. Let's fields here. We already talked about the validations of this sign in page. If you want to know about that, you can watch my previous videos. Okay, here we type the email address, then the password, then we click on sign in. This is a simple one, and we didn't tick the remember me option, and this is what we done before. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now let's refresh this page and then let's get into the sign in page. Now data is already filled here because we didn't tick this remember me option. Now let's type the data again with the remember me option ticked. Now I typed, then I click on sign in. Now I refresh the page. Okay, now I can refresh the page. As you can see, I refresh the page. Then if I click on the sign in, here our data is already filled. This is done because we ticked the remember me option. To talk about this remember me option, first we have to talk about the sessions and cookies. Here is the code session start. We use this code to start a session inside our project. First we start the session inside the sign in process, and we set a cookie in the last of the validation part. After the validation part we get the success message. Then inside the success message, if the remember me option is true, we set a cookie to our email address and the time, all of the things in there. I added into it as a year. Here is 60 seconds, then 60 minutes. Okay, then 24 hours, and we multiply by 365. That means it's a year. This cookie is not deleting for a year. That means this field is already filled. This will not erase for 1 year. We can see here. Here is a little extension called edit this cookie. We use this to view our cookies and edit some. We can see the email and password cookies are created here, and these are the ones which are filling in here. Okay, then this is how it is working. As you can see here, we add this cookie to here, to our email field and the password field. This is the cookie. This is how it is created. This is how the cookie is created. First we make a variable in our PHP, and then we set the cookie password to password variable in this array cookie, in this $_cookie array. It's the password. Then we created the email too. This is how the cookie is working. We have to type session start on the top of every single page in our project to use cookies, and this is how the remember me option is working. When we can adjust the time in here. If the remember me option is not ticked, that mean we use this else command in here. We set the email password, the time to -1. -1 means a time we passed. That means the computer gets confused, and then it's not adding the time again. then it automatically deleting the data. That means filling data of our project. If we untick this option and click on sign in, then we can see, but okay, no data is filling because our PHP session is here but no cookies are here. Okay, this is how the remove me option is working. Now let's meet in another video. Our next video is going to be about forgot password error. That means this thing. We will talk about it in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.